Hey, it's TurboDave here at Performance Corner. Hopefully I don't make you sick with this. We're videoing under one of our project car CRX. I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. So along here, we're going to start stitch welding on both sides. So along here too. And then we have a sway bar in the back, but we're going to actually have to stitch weld up here. Oops, sorry. Right along here. It's filled. You'll see once we grind it away, the undercoating, and then we're going to stitch weld the rear subframe. We'll have to remove the tank, the gas tank, and we'll probably stitch weld up there too into the base of the pan. We gotta strengthen this up. We're gonna be producing a fair amount of horsepower, so we'll see in just a minute how we're gonna clean it up, and we'll show you from there. Alright, so here we got some of the area grind away. That one's not as good, but it is mostly the paint and undercoating is gone. And we go under here and we have this area cleaned up, and that area. And you definitely want to wear face protection, because when this happens and all your teeth come off, yeah, you don't want that landing on your face at high speeds. So we got to clean up some more. We're going to have to take the gas tank down, but you want to clean up some more. We'll clean up some more tomorrow before we start welding on it. See if we can get a brush in there and do some by hand, clean it up some more. We have to stitch all that, and then we'll get up over here. You can see where we did it up here. You can see it follows it back here. So we're going to strengthen all this. We're going to be putting a lot of power down, so we'll get to that tomorrow.